Well, bound happened again. Left the camera 360 in at home, so we'll just do a handheld. Yeah, it's about minus 15. With the wind chill, it's about minus 20. But nice sunny day, so we'll just we'll see how it goes. There's quite a few people again for the ice fishing. But we'll go into the ice and see how it goes. Yeah, I came here last night and broke through the ice, but it looks like we're iced up over again. Or oh no, somebody was here this morning. So or is that frozen? No, it's frozen solid. So we'll have to see how it goes. We'll have to do this in a few times. Let's get into the water. 10:55. Oh, yes. This is a little bit more intimate. Haven't done this for a while. Oh. Beautiful day. Wind is picking up though. I was surprised how thick the ice was. I was here last night. I was about almost 2 inches from yesterday, and there was another 2 inches today. So yeah, it got really cold overnight. But I'm glad I went and cut it last night, because today that would be like almost 3 inches. That would be quite a bit to go and cut through. So. Oh. Yeah, the wind is definitely picking up. Oh, the hands are getting a little bit cold. Well, I think this is day 63, I guess. 93, not 63. What am I talking about? So, all right. I think it's time to come out. Beautiful day.